This is a super sensitive common mode current detector, and what's very interesting is that I've got it clipped over my 2-meter band coax that's not even in use right now. I'm transmitting on a different antenna system from my shack downstairs, yet it's sensitive enough to pick up from the 2-meter system and illuminate the common mode current detector. I do have two coax lines coming in here. One's an HF antenna that's not in use right now, and this is my VHF. So down here is where I experiment with function generators, using them as Morse beacons, and this is my 2-meter band setup just in the lounge. But we'll go downstairs and I will give info on how to build. Down here I've got the IC705 here, running an experimental beacon on 80 meters, and the RF power is set at 10 watts. 100% on this is 10 watts. Now this is on 30 meters of coax, so it goes out the window, right down into the garden, then up a tree to an experimental antenna that I'm testing at the moment, that I'm working on. So, but I'm very surprised that that common mode current detector is so sensitive that it's illuminating, connected on an entirely different transmission line that's not even connected to this system, and it's still picking it up. So I have already done a how to build video on the main part of the system, but in that video I was focusing on the idea of putting a multimeter across the system to get a reading, whereas in this case I've simply got a E10 3-volt LED across the system. So I will link in the description, and I will tag a comment to that video so you can figure out how to build it. It's extremely simple, and of course you just put it on any line that you want to test for common mode currents, and or any line you want to test for currents, basically. Well, within reason, obviously, frequency response of the system design. 7.3, and thanks for watching.